Let's see guys, I got a 250 bonus. Let's see what we can get for our 250 bonus guys. It's a $250. So let's see. Oh, come on Dragon. We need 3 of those for 3. Come on. Oh. Dragon, come out, Dragon. So far we had $50. Come on, one more. They only give us $5.50. Come on, Dragon. Make it interesting, Dragon. Come on. Wait. We need to pickle. One more. Only $3, guys. We had 8 more cents left. Let's see what the 250 can do. One more. Yeah. We got a retrigger guys. But walang naka-align. So only 150 give us. So dalawang dragon. So may 5 additional spin siya. So nasa 250 bet tayo. So 450 pa yung. One more. Dragon. Come on. Just one big hit. Come on, retrigger more. So far, yan ang panalo natin, guys. Come on, Dragon. One more. We missed one. Come on, Miss Dragon. Oh, we missed the Dragon here. Come on. We need the Dragon, guys. Come on, Dragon. $5, guys. So far, we got 38. Come on, Dragon. You need to retrigger. Retrigger, Dragon. Come on. One more. Yes. Yes. We got a retrigger, guys. We got 15 more. So, binigyan tayo ng 135, guys. Yes, Dragon. Good job. Good job. So, 250 bet yan, guys. So, binigyan tayo may, 3. So, dalawang dragon at siyang coin. So, 15 spend yan lahat. So, yan. So, 135 na binigay nila. Oh, come on, dragon. So, yes, dragon. Yan. So, 135 yun, guys. Diba? Oh, come on. Dragon. So, sa 250 bet natin yan, guys. Sana malaki-laki pang sila natin. O, diba? Tignan natin. O, diba, guys? See, hanggang kailan. Come on, Dragon Lady. We need those, guys. One more. We need the lady or this one, the emperor, face more, guys. Pag meron tayo dito at sa dalawang dragon dito, all the way cross. Malaki yan. Come on, dragon. Dragon. Tiko. Uy, dalawa lang. Yes, may $30 tayo niyan, guys. Malaki-laki na yan. So, come on, big trigger. We need the lady pie. Pag may lady pie tayo, guys. So, yeah. So, come on. Come on, lady. We need the dragon. Dragon. Need the dragon, guys. Come on, dragon. We need you, dragon. Two more. They give us 2 more. Come on, dragon. Pag nagkuha natin yung si dragon, guys. 1 more. Yes, nag-retrigger pa tayo, guys. So, they give us more 15 spend. So, may 15 more spend pa tayo, guys. Bigyan tayo ng 14 yan. Oh, good another 15 additional points. So far, 258 yung panalo natin, guys. Come on, Dragon. Come on. Tiku-tiku. Tiku-tiku. We're gonna tiku. Tiku-tiku, tiku-tiku. So 265 so far. One more. Yes, we got the 5-5. So we got the 5-5, guys. So far we got 276, 277. So meron tayo niyan. Binigyan tayo niyan. So come on, ladies. We need the ladies. Get the living. Tiku-tiku. So far, at least not bad. Tiku-tiku-tiku. Come on. Tiku-tiku-tiku. Uy, the lady 5. We need the lady 4. Come on, retrigger. Retrigger. Ay, we should stop it. Hindi ko na ano, guys. Retrigger sana yun. So, tatlo na lang. Not bad. May 300 na tayong panalo, guys. One more. Hindi pa nag-trigger. So far, yung panalo natin, guys. Come on. Trigger more. One more. Last minute. Come on. Oh, that's it. For 2-piece event, guys. At least may ano tayo. So, mag-back up spend tayo. Kasi minsan nagbibigay sila yan, guys, pag may backup spend. So, 2. Mag-back up lang tayo ng 5. 3. Uy, malapit na sana, guys. So, isa pa. Back up spend tayo. One more. Uy. Isa pa, parang bibigay ito ulit. Isa pa ulit. Last spend. Alright, that's it, guys. So, may 300 tayo, so cash out tayo. O, diba? At least not too bad, guys. Sa ano natin, sa 250 natin na bet. So ito yung money natin. So, 100 nilagay natin, 322. Not too bad. Alright. Please subscribe my channel and watch my video. Thank you.